Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we're gonna unbox the Sony WH-1000X M3. First off, we're gonna check the different sides of the box. Actually, based on my research, this specific model, the WH-1000X M3, is if not the best, one of the best noise canceling headphones. Alright, so at the front of the box, here's the the logo, the model, and it says wireless noise canceling, Google Assistant, and Alexa built in. So yeah, it does support Google Assistant and Alexa. I'm not sure if it will support Siri if you're using iOS. Hi-res audio, 30 hours of battery life for a single charge, and of course it's Bluetooth. So yeah, on the right side, this is just Sony logo, iPhone and iPad at the top, black side. This is where you pull the actual device itself. On the back, some texts here that translates to Chinese and Korean, I guess. So that's it. Let's open up the box. This is the entire content of this, what do you call this, side opening box. First off, there's a flap here that kind of covers the content, the actual content, and it says easy setup, configuration, blah blah blah. Apple, there's a QR code here where you can point your camera, your phone, so that you can download directly the app for both iOS and Android. Alright, so before opening up this hard case, let's check out the other contents. So these are just sort of manual. Google Assistant. Let's check the content. What's this? Google Assistant, just a very simplistic instruction. Let's put this aside since we're not gonna meddle with this right now. So here's the actual meat of this product. So wow, as you can see, it has bronze zipper. I haven't seen anything like this. So it's a hard case with a fabric covering, and then there's this kind of net here where you can put maybe wires, extra wires, and then there's a loop here so you can easily grab it by your finger. And then let's open it up, and there we have it, the actual headset itself. Of course, aside from this, there's also the, what's this, the 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter jack. So this is quite short, I believe. As you can see, there's just several loops here. And then we have the USB A to USB C. And this one, I believe, if you're not familiar, is an adapter. If you're riding a plane, I believe they have this standard adapter. I guess that's based on my research, but I haven't seen or haven't experienced using this kind of adapters. And what else? This is just layout cardboard. Nothing else, just the headset itself. So as you can see, I think this is very comfy. Although I have checked the Bose QC35 Series 2, so I'm not sure if I prefer that one in terms of the layout of this inside, what do you call this, inside ear. So in Bose version, it's kind of slanted, so it it fits your ear more nicely, I guess. I'm not sure if this does the same. Anyway, it has a good leather to it. Yeah, it's smooth and soft. And here, the side that's gonna be touching the top of your head is also a leather, and it's soft too. Unlike in the Bose QC35 Series 2, it's what you call Alcantara leather or a cloth, something like that. Not like this. So it's plastic, I guess. Yeah, it's plastic, but it's not. I think it's not what you call flimsy. It's quite durable to the feel. So yeah, I guess that's it. I believe this side. I think the left side or the right side, either of this side, is a touch sensitive. So if you swipe up, it will bring up the volume. If you swipe it down, it will reduce the volume. If you swipe it forward or backwards, it will move the song next or previous. So I'm not sure if this one on the right or one on the left. Also, they have this kind of feature that when you put your entire palm here, it will switch off. It will turn on the transparency mode. So basically, if you're listening to a music, you won't hear other people. Like if, for example, someone's talking to you. If you put your entire palm here, the microphones here will act as sort of like a pass through. So you don't have to remove your headset to hear the people you're talking to. So yeah, it's kind of neat feature, I guess, if you need to talk to someone while using your headphones. Okay, so yep, these two holes here is not the USB-C. The first time I saw this from other YouTube videos, I thought these are USB-C since they kind of shape like one. But at the bottom, here's the actual USB-C input. Here's the on-off button, and here's a single tactile button that says NC or noise cancelling / ambient. I believe if you press and hold this, it will switch to ambient or noise cancelling mode. So yeah. So here's a 3.5 millimeter jack. You can use this like a traditional headphones. So put here the 3.5 millimeter jack, and then put the other end of the 3.5 millimeter jack to your audio source, and that's it. Basically just a normal headphones. I'm not sure if the what do you call this, the noise cancelling feature can be turned on if you're using this 3.5 millimeter jack input. Okay, so what else? I guess I covered enough for this device as my first impression. I haven't used this yet. This is the first time I saw this. I experienced this device. Same with you if you haven't got this device or you haven't watched any video like this one. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this tonight, and cheers, maybe see you on my next video.